She hopes for a clear view before the day is done. No end in sight. Ooh, wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Okay, so I have a decision to make, and it's whether to sell my house or not. And yeah, that's kind of hard because I've owned it for a while, and it was my, first home, and it's been a good house, and it's taken care of all of us. And Mom would go there when she couldn't do the stairs after dialysis or after an operation or whatever. Dad lived there for many years when he needed to be. Kelly and I hung out there and watched a lot of Doctor Who. So, we love it, but it's time, and I think, it's time to close that chapter of my life and press play. Her favoriteest toy.
What's this?
It's a little jewelry box.
Ah, it's cute. It's a jewelry box, Nancy.
There's a card in there. Yeah, it's really cute.
Oh.
Right? Oh, look at that. There's a little bit of money in there. You like that?
It's gonna mess up your videos because it won't be 3 sisters.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, guys. Hi, sweetheart. I love you. I love you. Hi. Hey, guys. This is a lot of work.
Who's that person behind you? That's our sister Karen.
Hi.
So now we are getting ready to have a booth at an antique store and sell all that stuff that you just saw up at the antique store. We're gonna have a... Apparently, I just want to film and I don't know what I want to say, but I just really want to film.
It's been too long. I've kept
It's been too long.
doing your
What have I been doing? Oh, see all this crap behind me? In a semi-empty house. Kelly's been working on this, trying to get everything packed up for me and moved over so that I can get moved out of here because I sold it. And what she's trying to tell you is we have a booth now to sell some of my mid-century modern antiques up at Brass Armadillo.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
Do the dishes, mop the floor, Keller Rally. I'm giving this place one last good clean before you sell it. Yikes! So this is me in my newly emptied house. I'm happy and I'm sad all at the same time. So do one last walkthrough. The mess that is the kitchen. That's what happened. But she was cute at the time, at one time. Did a lot of work to get her to look cute. And then I just love this house. Love the beams. Love the space. Love those floor ceiling windows. But time to move on. Make the most of my new life. A nice front porch, which was right uptown. But yeah. And then there's Kelly. Hey Kel, thanks for all the work you're doing. About done. Alright. There it is. That's it. I'm out of here. Sometimes I never thought we'd get there. Felt like we'd ever get there, but we're here. And yeah, there we go. I've locked it. And this is me closing the door on one chapter of my life and getting ready to press play. So, this is it. Last day. Came over, take one last look. Gonna head up and sign the papers now. Thanks, Drew.